Hi, I'm Francesca. I'm going to teach you how to do crow pose bakasana the wrong way and the right way. So let's start with the wrong way. The block is too close to the face. The elbows go out, the knees go out, so we lose the action of the core. The hips unable to lift because we're not stacking bone and bone, and the head and the shoulders collapsed. The right way. You're gonna open up the block out. We'll create an equilateral triangle between your hands and the block. Hips lift, elbows bend straight back, and then you're gonna dive forward. Point your feet, breathe. Keep that balance on the block. That's it.